Losing your data can be frustrating, but don't worry. With Recoverit, you can get your lost files back with just a few simple clicks. It works with various devices and up to 1,000 file formats. And it can create a bootable drive which helps you gain access to a crashed PC and recover your lost files. With our latest update, we have exceptional new features like advanced video recovery, our exclusive patented technology, video repair function, and Mac files recovery on PC. Let's see how they work. If you accidentally delete your videos, Recoverit can start a deep scan over different areas of your device. Then it locates, collects video fragments, and tries to rebuild your video based on these fragments collected. You can think of it like a puzzle game. But if you find your videos not playing, Recoverit can help you with its new video repair feature. Simply add your video and start the repair process. Then preview the repaired video and click Save. How simple is that? But hey, Recoverit's got one more feature for you. If you have a Mac formatted hard drive and you don't have a Mac on hand, with Recoverit, you can now recover data from it directly on your PC. Ta-da! We are the best to rescue all your data. What are you waiting for? Try it today.